Okay, good evening. We are at Imtex 2017 and we are at the stall of Gudel. We have with us the managing director of Gudel, Mr. Sunil Raibagi. Good evening, Mr. Raibagi.
Good evening.
So, Mr. Raibagi, tell us a little bit about Gudel, although we know about it, but yet maybe you could refresh our audience about it.
Gudel is a Swiss company
Right.
and has a subsidiaries over 23 countries. In India, we have done a joint venture with them and we are making automation systems everywhere. If you see all of your cars, engines, block headlines, trunk lines and railway wheel lines we have been built so far here. We also sell the components and we also supply to the tier 1, tier 2 various gantry system solutions.
Okay, and what kind of solutions you have displayed at Imtex here?
We have shown a track-mounted robot, which is a in thing now. We have developed a special track which can move 150 meters per minute, and there is a Fanuc robot, and the gripper is made by Zimmer. And with this, we are loading, unloading on the different machines at different orientation, and that is what we have shown. We have shown our components, and we have shown a railway wheel gripper here.
Automation is a growing trend in the Indian manufacturing sector. So obviously that is helping you. And how's been the market for you in terms of business for the last 1 year?
Last 1 year, there were not big orders from the big OEMs because there are no capacity enhancement. Right. But there are tier 1, tier 2 who are building their capacities, looking at the future, and they are buying now automation. See, automation is a depreciating asset, whereas the people is appreciating asset. So at the moment, there is a break even between automation and labor. In the future to come, the automation is going to be more beneficial for the throughput of the companies, and every small automation they put, there is a lot of less dependency on the people and more accurate parts they get, more productive, definite productivity, and then very high-end systems like they can connect automation to the SAP, and a lot of other administrative things are going away. So from shop floor to the top floor, everywhere automation is coming in now, and it is also going on clouds now.
Okay, another big trend which is happening primarily in the European and the developed countries is Industry 4.0. So how are you participating in that?
Our products are Industry 4's grade since long. Traceability, parts, everything is there. You can see from the product there's a traceability mark. And there is an app. You just connect, and even to managers guide in the shop floor knows what is happening on a system. That's a quite advanced systems we are supplying now.
You've been participating in Imtex over the years?
Yeah. This is our since we are starting is 2005. So. It will be our 6th or 7th Imtex now.
I've been seeing that you've been getting a lot of customers. So how's been the response from your perspective?
Yeah, there are two kinds of customers now. One is basically coming to understand the new technology, and second is basically for an investments. But we see a lot of response from the government sector as well as the private sector and automotive sector, and now also in the other sectors they are looking for automation now.
While the last year was relatively slow, you have big expectations from the next year?
I don't think so, because I think our country is going through whatever phase it is going. So first 6 months until this dot gets settled will be slow. But I think from the after second quarter, because ours is from January to December. So maybe after say July, August, the things will start picking up. So we hope that people will start buying in the second half of the year.
Any expectations from the budget just next around the corner?
They should reduce the duties now and see that Indian manufacturing industry gets the benefit, so that we become export able. Machine tool is a core sector, and if the government supports the machine tool sector and automation sector, then there will be a lot of things will be produced in the country which will beneficial finally Make in India process. There was a lot of slogan on Make in India, but I don't see in this Imtex here not a single things in Make in India. If you want to make a noise, you should make it continuously everywhere, and whatever we do in India should be promoted.
Okay. On that note, thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.